We don't always use native SOLIDWORKS drawings. Within SOLIDWORKS Inspection, we can use CAD neutral formats such as PDF or DWG. In this video, we're going to take a PDF file, create a new inspection project with it, and create a bill of characteristics with balloon dimensions. We're going to start by creating a new project. Each project contains the templates. Each template contains information such as system settings, tolerancing information, units. In this case, we're just going to use the default, but you can create your own. We're then going to open up our PDF document. The drawing contains a few different views, all have dimensions. Some contain tolerance information, and some with hull callouts. The first step of any project is to capture some of the project properties. This is usually information that's housed within the title block, such as the part name, document number, and revision number. This can be typed in manually, or we can use OCR for optical character recognition. We're going to use OCR to capture the part number and document name. This step is important because this information will be used in the reports. The next stage is to capture the dimensions for our bill of characteristics. We can use auto extract. This will automatically capture our dimensions, geometric tolerances, surface finishes, and datums. We can also manually extract. This is usually used for singular dimensions. In our case, we'll use manual extracts, and we'll start by capturing some linear dimensions. To do this, we simply drag a box over the text, OCR, then reads the dimension and creates a characteristic. This is also automatically ballooned. These can be changed at any time by using the properties on the left-hand side. OCR is also clever enough to read dimensions at an angle and hull callouts. For example, we have a 90-degree bend where the text is at a 45-degree, making it a challenge for OCR. But you can see, when dragging a box over it, it still captures it correctly. If we wanted to, we can go in and reorientate the dimension, and this helps the software to capture the dimension. Once captured, these will automatically be added to our bill of characteristics. From there, we can even make changes to them. For example, the length dimension currently has no method for inspection, so what we can do is we can go to the drop down and we can select that this is going to be inspected by a CMM. Within a few minutes, we can take any PDF document and have a usable inspection project with the bill of characteristics containing information about the tolerancing information, inspection methods and operations, including a balloon drawing, all within SOLIDWORKS Inspection standalone.